Okay, today we're going to have a demonstration of the more rare version of the MEGO Man that came in different colors. This is the gray-headed one, which is harder to find. And I'll put a link to the repair video down below where the broken spring had to be replaced. It's wind up. As you can see, it's very small. And for being so small, it has a lot of functions. It uses a post to lift one wheel off the ground so it can go straight, spin around, moving feet, arms, mouth that opens and closes, and a little bell on the front that can sometimes be heard to ring over the gear sounds of the wind-up. Kind of hard to hear it, but it's there. And of course there's an on-off switch on the back. And I guess this isn't probably the best surface, but this is what we got to work with here, so let's hope it doesn't go shooting off the edge or anything. Are you ready? All right. So, you get the idea. I need a bigger play area. Let's try holding it. I don't know if the camera will catch it or not. There's a little piece of metal, you just saw it drop. It's flung in the air to hit the side of the bell and then drops back down again. So the bell isn't going to be real loud compared to the sound of the wind-up gear motor action in there. And what made it spin, like I said earlier, is there's this post that moves up and down. So normally it'll do 1.5 rotations and head off in a different direction after it's gone around. You got your moving arms, legs, mouth, all of that in one little small wind-up toy, plus an on-off switch. A lot of really cool litho on a toy this small as well too. It's one of the reasons why it's a highly desirable collectible.